x2x Pick and Scan is an Android-based multipurpose application that enables mobile order entry for RMH. This application can be used locally like at a store, warehouse, or showroom, or at a remote location using a local area network or internet. x2x Pick and Scan can be used by the salespeople to assist and take customer orders. This solution also works perfectly for the salespeople visiting customers to restock the inventory on the shelf. x2x Pick and Scan can be used on any Android-based handheld, smartphone, or tablet. For commercial purposes, an Android-based rugged handheld with the scanner is preferred. When used with Android phones or tablets, the application uses cameras to scan the barcodes. x2x Pick and Scan mobile app connects to the x2x Pick and Scan API. The API acts as a bridge between the mobile device and the RMH database. The orders can be entered for both, the regular customers having an account in RMH, or for the walk-in customers. If you log in as a regular customer, the customer name and the available credit will be displayed in the top bar. If allowed in the setup, you can also log in as a guest or walk-in customer. Enter items manually or using the search feature or by scanning the barcode. Scan the barcode again to add the quantity or use the plus or minus button. You can also manually enter the quantities in the quantity box. If the discount is enabled in the setup, you can allow a dollar or percentage discount on the line item. Or you can also allow a dollar discount on the entire order. When ready, click on Submit to submit the order to RMH. Enter a note to identify the order associated with the customer. If the handheld printer option is enabled, Pick and Scan will print a slip with the order number and the barcode or QR code. To execute the order, recall the order in RMH by clicking on the x2x Pick and Scan button, or using the RMH Recall Work Order option. Tender the document to complete the sale. Still not sure if x2x eCommerce is the right solution for you? Reach out to our experts or visit our website to learn more.